Meaning of FDIC.
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 FDIC. FDIC stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. It is a United States government agency that provides insurance to bank deposits and promotes safe and sound banking practices. The FDIC was created in 1933 in response to the widespread bank failures of the Great Depression. Its mission is to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system by insuring deposits, examining and supervising financial institutions, and managing receiverships. In short, the FDIC helps to protect the money of bank customers and ensures that banks operate in a safe and responsible manner.